Physical separation, Houston.
Houston copies.
Undocking confirmed at 1:28 a.m. Central Time. Atlantis weighs anchor from the International Space Station for the last time. Twelve and a half years of shuttle missions to build and service a million-pound complex at an end. Rendezvous officer reports a good opening rate for Atlantis. This is sequential still video.
Atlantis, station is in attitude control.
Atlantis copies, thanks.
Through the centerline camera in the orbiter docking system, you're looking at sequential still video of the docking port, pressurized mating adapter number 2 that Atlantis is backing away from. Atlantis now 30 feet away from the docking interface with the International Space Station, everything looking good. It will take about 30 minutes or so for Atlantis to reach its station keeping point, 600 feet directly in front.
Atlantis departing the International Space Station for the last time. Thank you for your 12 dock missions to the ISS and for capping off 37 space shuttle missions to construct this incredible orbiting research facility. We'll miss you guys. Godspeed, soft landing, and we'll see you back on Earth in the fall.
Hey, thanks, Ron, USOS lead, and to the station commander, Andrei Borisenko. We appreciate your hospitality again. Hey, when a generation accomplishes a great thing, it's got a right to stand back and for just a moment admire and take pride in its work. From our unique vantage point right here, perched above the Earth, we can see the International Space Station is a wonderful accomplishment. It was born at the end of the Cold War. It's enabled many nations to speak one in space. As the ISS now enters the era of utilization, we'll never forget the role the Space Shuttle played in its creation. Like a proud parent, we anticipate great things to follow from the men and women who build, operate, and live there. From this unique vantage point, we can see a great thing has been accomplished. Farewell, ISS. Make us proud.
Tinged with the finality of the moment, words from Ron Garan, NASA flight engineer aboard the International Space Station, and Atlantis Commander Chris Ferguson, as Atlantis continues to move away from the complex, currently at a distance of 71 feet, moving ultimately to a point about 600 feet directly in front of the station for a period of 27 minutes of station keeping to enable the station to yaw 90 degrees prior to the start of a half-lap fly-around by pilot Doug Hurley from Atlantis' aft flight deck.
Hey, Houston, Atlantis on the big loop. We're going to keep the radar in comm mode if you can pick anything up.
We copy, Fergie. Thank you. Atlantis, I have ISS attitudes for our prop when you want them.
Yeah, we'll take it, Steve. Go ahead.
Okay, pitch yaw roll is going to be -2, 0, -1.
-2, 0, -1. Thanks. Pitch yaw roll.
Good copy.
The view from the centerline camera in the orbiter docking system, looking down the barrel of pressurized mating adapter number 2, from which Atlantis undocked just about 8 minutes ago. Undocking occurring at 1:28 a.m. Central Time, at a point at which the two vehicles were flying almost 250 miles above the Pacific Ocean east of New Zealand. To recap the numbers, Atlantis spent 8 days, 15 hours, 21 minutes of docked time to the International Space Station on this 37th and final shuttle mission to the complex. Over the period of 37 missions, space shuttles spent 276 days, 11 hours and 23 minutes of dock time, almost 40 weeks of joint work to build $1 million city in the sky. $1 million pound city in the sky.